I think it's important for everybody to define success in the right way at every stage of your cycle. Everybody can be successful if it's you who determines what success looks like. The problem is that people go on social media and they say, okay, I want to get $1 million bounty because some other guy that has been, or girl that has been doing this for over 10 years has achieved that, and they don't see all their failures. I can be super grateful for, or I try to be grateful for a failure, because like I said before, sometimes you tested something really cool and you can just imagine that it worked. However, that application was coded that you're testing is outside of your control. Psychologists call this like the circle of influence, but it's really applicable for penetration testing as well. Like how well the developers did their job, you don't have that, you have no control over that. But if you at least tried something that you believe was cool, or if you at least try to come up with one creative solution, or even, in the report writing, if you try to find a best practice or give the best possible advice to a customer, that can also be a success. The success doesn't have to be that you have to find a critical in every single application, because there may not be a critical, or it may not be possible. People get stressed, and I understand why, but I would say that to answer that question, my advice would be to try. I know it's hard, but to try to define success yourself and not try to realize that, whatever the rest is sharing, nobody is sharing their failures.